ESPN, Star Sport, Mauritius versus EACID. Section 9I income deemed to be accrued arise in India. The business connections and the business are attributing advertisement time, air time, attributing 30% of the total gross revenue from India and held to be not justified. DTAA Indian Mauritius. Associates partnership firm incorporated under the law of Mauritius were engaged in the business of acquiring and allotting advertisement time and program sponsorship in connection with the programming via non-standard television from Mauritius. Mauritius, they are telecasting everything. It entered into an agreement with the Indian entity which is engaged in the business of acquiring airtime from associates and allotting it to various Indian advertising agencies. They get the airtime and they given this from Mauritius to India to various air agencies. And air assessing officer held that the Indian entity constitute dependent agency agent permanent establishment DAP dependent agency permanent establishment of assessee as per Article 54 of Indian Mauritius DTAA. And attributed 30 percentage of gross revenue from India as profit to Indian entity. The tribunal held that since the Indian entity was a remuneration at arm's length price by SSE, which is also accepted by TPO for both sides, so no further attribution of profit will be made. So they come to conclusion to state that even though we got the Mauritius to Indian agencies and we have advertised through it, and the total revenue out of 30% will be considered as Indian revenue even though there is an arm's length price. But actually, there may be more revenue can be charged. But as per the DTA of Indian Mauritius agreement, double tax avoidance agreement, we coming to less profit, Indian government accepted and they agreed to pay the tax. That's a good thing.